Okay, so today we're harvesting these vegetables called Han Choy. Okay, and so the way you harvest them is you find the stem down here and then you pinch it off. See that? Okay, so you take that and you pinch it off and there you go. And these are lovely in stir fry. Beautiful. I love gardening because you can get the vegetables nice and fresh and organic, no chemicals, great for your health and great for your family's health. So it's a great way to bring fresh vegetables and introduce some different vegetables to your family. We're going to go ahead and finish off all of these. Show you some of the beautiful plants that we're saving to the end of the season, and these are the flowers of the Han Choy. And so we're going to be collecting the seeds at the end of the season so that we'll have them for next year to plant. And they're just gorgeous plants. Again, what we're doing is we're harvesting our batch over here for the stir fry. Beautiful, beautiful vegetable this is.